Good morning. It is Wednesday, I believe. Yes, Wednesday, September 1st. So that officially makes it day 21. 3 weeks. I'm heading to Mont Craggy shelter. I just left Lac Gros Rousseau shelter. I camped out on the platform. Best night's sleep I've had since on trail. Seriously. Love it. I'm going to do that as much as I can, if I can. Problem is, I don't think I'm allowed in Gaspésie. And I'll tell you why. Because provincial is arguing with federal. This trail, which uses provincial grounds, they're not paying for. You know, Gaspésie, fully owned, they want money. They're tired of federal money going to a federal trail. So what they do is they do not honor the passports, the reservations from SIA. So I basically wasted $400 is what I'm finding out. So, and Eric confirmed that. So Eric works with the SIA. SIA got a ton of money, government money. Didn't give any to Gaspésie because Gaspésie didn't give them any money for the hikers coming and paying. So anyway, I don't care about that. It's all political. I'm going to push on. And if I have to camp on logging roads like this, if I can get it to but there's two things I have to worry about now. Is a long weekend. We had 7 people in a shelter designed for 5. I'm glad I was out on the platform and in bed already when the last ones came late at night. And it's going to be crowded, even in Matan, which is where I am still, on the Matan Reserve. And Gaspésie especially, because it's an organization called CPAC who handles all the reservations. I don't have data. I don't have cell. I can't reserve. But it doesn't matter anyway, because they were all booked up in July for the whole season till October 15th. So basically, unless there's a cancellation or I stealth camp, I'm SOL. So we'll deal with that when it comes. The other issue I have to deal with right now is I have to be off the Matan Reserve before Monday, because hunting season opens, and that scares me to death. You know, I face enough out here already. I don't have to face drunken men with guns. You know, and they like to hunt out here. Oh boy, do they like to hunt. So my plan is to slow down a bit. Again, I hate to say it because I've taken way too much time off. But to slow down a bit so that this next 50 kilometers, of which I'm doing 10 today, to Mont Craggy, I gotta space them out. I might have to even take a zero so that I don't pull into Gaspésie till Monday, which hopefully the weekenders will have cleared out a little by then. Gives me a better chance at actually having accommodation. Anyway, it's all a big mess, and I'm not gonna try to not think about it and just enjoy the trail. On a positive note, I'm having the time of my life out here. I feel alive, so at peace, so comfortable. Ooh, breakfast. Never turned down a raspberry. Very ripe. Yummy. Wow, they're everywhere here. Where was I on this little ramble of mine? Yeah, this is amazing. Being out here is amazing. I won't be out till the coast for probably another 2 weeks. And so I think I have enough food till then. Well, in fact, I'm sure I do. But when I do get out there, I gotta find a sports store, an outfitter. These Patagucci pants are falling off me. I had to take a paracord from a tree. It was hanging from a tree, and use it as a belt. Which means I'm down to at least a size 8, if not a 6. And because I do know my body, and I do know Patagucci's sizing, I probably lost about 15 pounds, which is bound to happen anyways, even if you eat good. When you're doing 15 plus kilometers a day up and down hills, you're working it. Now, oftentimes you just lose inches and not pounds, because the fat you lose, you're gaining in muscle. So, anyways, that's enough of my ramble today. I'm running out of battery. I might have to miss a couple or 3 days of filming because there are no towns, there are no hamlets, there are no points of electricity or cell for that matter. I'm off the grid totally here, and I need what little backup battery, which I only have 50% left, has to keep my Garmin InReach going, and my phone, because I need my phone for messaging through the InReach, so I can still message, get my message out in case I run into a problem. Now, of course, I won't SOS, only as a last resort, which would never happen out here, I don't think. But so I hate to say it, but the video equipment will be shut down to preserve energy. I do believe it's about another 80 kilometers before I can get to recharge. So there's a lot of planning involved here. Gotta make sure I allocate resources where they need to be. And it's amazing. I love it. Anyway, I'll give you updates later when I get some nice views for you. Over and out. Okay, we know we're getting near the top. What a climb this was. Unbelievable. There's a view for you. See for hundreds of kilometers. And I was down there. Whew, man. And I'm only halfway there. Mont Craggy. And we just passed Mont Pentu.